When the rooster crows, it's time to go to the farm with all your friends. When the tractor hums, it's time for fun. The adventure never ends. There's lots to see, so much to do. We'll learn and play, discover too. Farm explorers, me and you. Farm explorers, me and you.
Let's go! Let's explore berry picking with birds. Greetings, farm explorers. I hope you enjoyed that bird's eye view of the farm. Today, we're visiting the fruit stand. Do you want to explore with us? Let's go! Explorer friends, how are you? Come along with us and we'll learn something new.
A fruit stand is where we keep the fruit we grow here on the farm. That way we can share the harvest with everybody.
Hi, Roxy. Thanks for joining us today.
Hey, y'all! I'm excited to be here. I get to play with my bird friends and look for some yummy berries to eat. Oh no! The berry boxes are empty.
Looks like we need to go pick more berries over in the berry patch.
What's a berry patch?
A berry patch is a place on the farm where the berries grow, and you'll always find birds there. Should we take a closer look?
Yeah!
When you're feeling curious and you want to know, take a closer look and your mind will grow.
Wow! So this is a berry patch. Look at all the different berries.
Yep, the berries grow on bushes and vines. And birds like Roxy love to eat berries. I sure do. They are my very, very favorite food to eat. We birds love to pick and eat berries because they're so tasty and are so easy to find.
Do you want to pick some berries with us? Great! Let's get picking.
Birds just love to pick and eat berries 'cause they're such a treat. Juicy, ripe, and oh so sweet, they grow all around. Blue jays love blueberries. Blackbirds love blackberries. Roxy loves red strawberries. Picking's great for sharing. Picking berries in the sun. Picking berries, lots of fun. Picking berries till we're done. We'll eat them one by one. Picking berries in the sun. Picking berries, lots of fun. Picking berries till we're done. We'll eat them one by one.
We picked a lot of berries today. Look at all the full boxes.
These boxes are heavy. I don't think I can carry them all over to the fruit stand.
We can use my wheelbarrow. It's one of my favorite tools on the farm. It makes chores a lot easier.
It does? How?
They call this part of the wheelbarrow the bucket. The bucket is big enough to carry lots of heavy things.
These are the handles. They make it easy to pick up the load.
And the wheel makes it easy to push it wherever you need to go.
So, if we put all the berry boxes into the wheelbarrow, they'll be easier to move?
Great idea, Tinker!
You were right. This bucket sure can hold a lot of berries.
Oh, that's good news. We're gonna make a lot of birds very happy.
Tinker, do you want to push the wheelbarrow?
I've never pushed a wheelbarrow, but I can try. Hey, it's easy. A lot easier than carrying those heavy boxes.
Can I come along for the ride, Tinker?
Sure, Cal.
That's good, because we've got to get these berries over to the fruit stand. Follow me!
We're back with lots of berries for everyone.
Today, we learned about birds. Birds love to eat berries because they taste good and they're easy to find. We also learned about a wheelbarrow and how it helps with the farm chores.
You know what's not a chore? A square dance party.
What a day in the fields and the barn, playing with friends down on the farm, driving the tractor and doing the chores. So much to learn, so much to explore. This farm